Started it. We good?
Yep.
Hey, I'm Gary Berger. I'm here on a Friday afternoon. Beautiful day outside, isn't it?
Absolutely.
This is my client and friend, Brad Powell. Brad, why are you here today?
I'm here to receive my settlement from the job well done.
Okay, well, thank you very much. So this is the second time you've picked up a check, right?
Yes, yes.
So the first time was a lot of money, and then what we do when we have these cases is sometimes we have to hold back money because we don't resolve all the liens. There can be liens from medical providers, Medicaid, Medicare, health insurance providers, different folks, and what we try to get you as much money as we can, and then sometimes that we keep some back in our trust account, which is an account that we hold for our clients, and then we distribute it to later. So you're here for the second time.
Yeah, I'm here for the second time, and I'm pleasantly surprised there was a lot more than I anticipated.
Yeah, so you know what we do, and we say this, like when you come in the door, we say this, and people are like, yeah, BS, do you really do that? But we work as hard to get the money on the front end for you, but we work as hard to get on the back end to reduce the liens because it's the money in your pocket that matters, right?
Yes, she got quite a bit reduced on the liens, and I'm completely happy. I was not expecting it today.
Surprise?
Yes, very surprised.
Can I say how much you got today?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You got over 10 grand today, and before you had over 40 in your pocket,
Yes,
right?
correct.
That's tax-free to you. That's a lot of money.
Yes.
How was your experience with Berger Law and my firm?
Every time I had a question, it was always explained to me in detail, even parts I understand it. They took the time out to make sure that I was comfortable with what was going to happen next.
Did I coach you, or did I just turn on this camera and make you do it?
No, you just turn on this camera and here we go.
Have you ever been on Facebook Live before?
Never.
All right. So tell me just a little bit about, did you know about these claims and stuff, or when you first started with us?
Well, I remember going to the doctor's office and she explained to me that we did have claims and this, that, and the other, but like I said, she had to take me through every step to explain it to me in grave detail what to expect next.
Got it.
So it was a learning experience for me too.
So did you learn a lot in this experience?
Oh, absolutely.
What's the big takeaway for you?
I'm not sure. It's just that she really helped me, to know why I was going to which doctor, and how the process proceeded next. And
When you say she, who do you mean?
Casey.
Oh, yeah, our paralegal, Casey Flugel, great. Is she awesome or what?
Absolutely.
I've been with her. She's been with me. We've been working together for I think 10 years now. She writes. We do these petitions. We do these lawsuits and stuff. I tell lawyers she writes better than most lawyers do. but she knows the process, doesn't she?
Oh, absolutely. And even above and beyond that is after my accident, we couldn't drive up here, me or my girlfriend, and she drove out to our house, which I just thought was amazing.
Yeah, we're blessed to have her. I'm blessed to have her working with me. Tell me about your crash. Tell me about your accident.
I was hit head on in 2017.
September, right?
Yeah, September 2017 by a speeding vehicle, and it completely totaled my truck. Had a detached ligament in my left ankle, torn meniscus in my left knee, torn rotator cuff, broken rib, broken clavicle, lacerations to the head. I was pretty bad off. You
were. I remember. And you know what we did is we got your medical records and bills. We kind of, as you mentioned, Casey, we kind of navigated your medical stuff, but we also, the insurance company was being cheap, so we filed a lawsuit, litigated the case. We did discovery. I have your file here. I got it right here. Malik, we got all your stuff here. So we filed suit. We pushed them, not because no one ever comes to us and says, now I want to have to file a lawsuit and go to trial. Yeah. Said no one ever, right?
Yeah.
But we do that. Did you know why we did that?
Just because the insurance company was not willing or wanting to settle. I'm not 100% sure, but
no, that's exactly. You hit it. You hit the nail on that. They're being too cheap.
Yeah.
So we kept pushing them until we got what was a fair amount for you.
Yes.
And then the great thing is you walk away from this, even with all the medical care and all the stuff going on, you walk away with this with no medical bills. It's all resolved. It's all done.
Absolutely.
Cool. Would you recommend our firm to other people?
Absolutely. Not only recommend it, I think somebody would be stupid if they didn't come here.
And you mentioned to me right before, you have referred friends or family to us too.
Yes,
We've taken
absolutely.
care of some of your people.
Other friends and family that have had just recent accidents, I've told them to call up here.
Well, thanks. Well, I always think of like if we help you, even though you're walking out today, you're kind of like my person. So we always take care of our people. So if you have any other questions about anything else for as long as you want, you know our number, 314-542-2222. My email, Casey's email. We answer questions for folks. We always try to navigate the world. Are you going to be getting back on your Harley?
Oh, yes. Absolutely.
It's springtime.
Absolutely.
If the weather just turned.
Yes.
Even with all your stuff?
Well, yeah. I mean, they resolve my medical issues. I'm just wanting to let the neck heal a little bit more before I go bouncing around.
You know I'm really good at motorcycle crashes.
Oh, really? Well,
I've got a lot of those cases. Some of these things on the wall over here are from those. Not that you're going to ever need me again.
I don't plan on ever having a motorcycle crash, but if I do.
It's never the motorcycle driver. It's always the other people that don't pay attention.
My warning for anybody who gets on a motorcycle is every mom in a minivan is trying to hit you. Just have good situational awareness and pay attention.
I've tried cases in Jefferson County, a Harley going, girl come out from a stop sign, boom. We tried a case in front of Judge, what was his name? Kramer. Got a $142,000 break. So I've tried these cases. I get it. It's never, motorcycle riders have to be more vigilant than anybody else on the road because people don't see them.
Yeah, I mean, but even your situational awareness on a motorcycle is night and day different than it is in a car. Like I said, it's like almost everybody in another vehicle is trying to hit you, and if you have that mindset, you pay a lot more attention to where you're going and what you're doing.
Are the Harleys? Aren't they less maneuverable? Aren't they harder to quickly react to, or no? If you know, have the experience you do.
Your typical Harley, but as soon as you get into custom bikes, they get longer and they have less reaction time and stuff like that. But no, they're similar to any other bike.
Thanks for doing this video.
I appreciate it.
Bye. Thanks for watching, folks. See you.